The sun is in the sky, but I refuse to smile. Baby, still darkness lingers in my mind.
The sun rising, birds chirping early in the morning, alarm clock ringing, so I wake up yawning, rushing out the bed quickly as I realize I'm late for work. So I freshen up, brush my teeth, iron my shirt, plus I still got a hangover from the night before. Once I'm dressed, I'm all set, then I'm out the door. Soon as I walk up the block to the bus stop, the block is filled with cops. Yellow tape, outline and chalk, another killer happened, the egos collided, so the brothers got the clapping. Thinking to myself, is this what life is really about? The ghetto's easy to slip in, but it's hard to get out. Those cold-hearted streets, it had me so shook, so I chose another path, picked up a pen and a notebook.
The sun is in the sky, but I refuse to smile. Baby, still darkness lingers in my mind.
In my mind I'm worrying, going back and forth pacing, nervous about the future, shit got my heart racing. Clocking in and out, about to work another grave shit. It's mental enslavement, plus I'm late with the payments. Ready to do something drastic, puffing on weed with my homie Psychonatic. Before you know it, I developed a drug habit. Greens and piff, you can smell the scent through my fabric. From then on, everything was going downhill. No money in my account, so how should I feel? No smile to show, just a frown on my grill. Stress is consuming my thoughts, so how the fuck can I chill? I just inhale, take a deep breath inside, keep my hands held high towards the sky.
The sun is in the sky, but I refuse to smile. Baby, still darkness lingers in my mind.
Perseverance runs through me, just a young man on a quest. I'm surprised I got any sanity left. Laid out on the floor, intoxicated from alcohol, it fueled me. My anger had me bouncing off the walls. My grandma had hope for me. When I had that breakdown, she was there on the phone with me. It trapped me in a dark place that I could not escape. Negativity is the only thing I embrace. A fork in the road, I cannot get straight. Dusting off the ashes, I rose from the dirt. You gotta live through pain even though it's cold and it hurts. Life wasn't made to be easy as I recall, but sometimes I gotta smile through it all. Yeah, I gotta smile through it all.
The sun is in the sky, but I refuse to smile. Baby, still darkness lingers in my mind.
Once had happy times, but then the joy ends. Kishma, I'm sorry, I couldn't be a better boyfriend. I know I couldn't provide you with the life you wanted. Still running from who you are, cause your past is haunted. I forgive you, for you know not what you do. You just gotta find you. I told you to give me the truth, but you had to lie. I gave the best, you was never satisfied. But I've grown from a boy to a man. I'ma be alright, with or without you. I'ma exceed in life, with different people heading in different directions. You win and you lose, another learned lesson. I hope you achieve your dreams and you reach your destination, and I'ma use this as another form of inspiration.